Today you're gonna learn how to make objects or text ripple in water inside of After Effects. This effect can be used in many aspects. You can apply it somewhere in an ad video about an energy drink in the summer season, for example. So yeah, first things first, add your product image and the background water pool video on the timeline. We want to make the object or text look 3D, so under the cube looking icon here, check this box and only do this for this layer. Now hover over your object until you see the X option, and then basically with your mouse drag this line forward. And this will make the can bottle look kinda 3D to make it match more with the background video. Now duplicate the background video by hitting Ctrl D, you'll see why in just a second. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and add the Gaussian blur to this video layer. Set the blurriness amount to 50, go back to the Effects and Presets and search for Displacement Map. Drag it onto your object or text. In the Effect controls, set the Displacement Map layer to the blurred out background layer. And then change the setting from Source to Effect and Masks. Set the use for horizontal displacement to luminance, set the value to 25, then change the use for vertical displacement to lightness and make the value about 75. You can set these values depending on your preferences, of course. Now make your blurred video not visible anymore, and the reason we added this blur video in the first place is that if we set the displacement map layer to the original video so that our bottle follows the movement of the water inside the video, we get this fuzzy effect. So in a nutshell, this blurriness kinda adds smoothness to the displacement effect. Now all you have to do is click on toggle switches / modes and then set the mode of your object or text to either overlay or hard light, or maybe leave it to normal if you don't like that. You can also add a fade in to this layer by hitting T, keyframing the opacity to be 0 at the start, and then going forward on the timeline and resetting the opacity back to 100. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.